2010 Honda Accord engine type 2.4 AC compressor replacement. First time you remove the cover radar. And remove the air duct and remove the pan coolant and remove the receiver tank coolant this side and disconnect the AC compressor. Remove the hole, tighten the bolt tank. Remove the hole. And remove the deep bowl and two bowl bottom. Bowl. And remove the cover engine. Remove the detail bowl and the bowl, two bowl. And take off AC compressor. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Check them, make sure the AC compressor is the same. The hole, the pulley. Okay. Put the AC compressor. Tighten this bowl, hole here. Thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.